Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Now click on the profile of the person that you want to report. Click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner. And here you can see report option. Tap on it. Here, if you click on the drop down of select category, a list of reasons will appear to choose from. Select one. And in the text box, you can give more details. Also, if you want this user blocked, then leave the box checked of block this user option, and if you don't want it, uncheck the box. After that, tap on report option. So that is how you can report someone on MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.